Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand has asserted that those who try to create rift among communities and those who try to create disharmony need to be brought before law. Chief Minister Khemchand was speaking during a guest lecture by Mr. Sandeep Chakrabarti on the topic Prevailing Trust Deficit and the Path Towards Trust Building, which was recognized by Assam Rifles at MSFDS in Palace Compound today. Director of Assam Rifles, Lieutenant General Vikas Lakhera, Vice Chancellor of Manipur University, Security Advisor, Chief Secretary, intellectuals and students of NIT, NCC, colleges and schools attended the lecture program. Speaking in the program, Chief Minister Khemchand said displaced persons from both Meitei and Kuki communities are eagerly waiting for their resettlement, and their original government is making all efforts to bring an end to the crisis. However, there are elements who are trying to derail the peace process. Chief Minister Khemchand said the leaders of those anti-peace elements need to be arrested and brought before law. Speaking further, Chief Minister Khemchand recalled that before the conflict, he as RD and PR Minister used to visit hills every Saturday for inspection, and he did not see any armed person during those visits. He asserted that conflict broke out on May 3, 2023 after rumors spread about violence in Churachandpur, and due to that, rumor Imphal was also engulfed by the violence. Further, the Chief Minister also lauded the role of Assam Rifles, Central Security Forces and State Force in controlling the violence.
Somebody is there. Shanti lana nahi चाहता है. Somebody is there. We have to identify them. इनको ठीक करना बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि कॉमन पीपल्स दे ऑल वांट पीस. हम कांगपू भी चले जाते हैं, हम कहीं चले जाता है, इस ये आपकी थवाई कुकी चले जाते हैं, तो सबसे मिले. Each and everyone they like peace, to restore peace. इनकी अपने बच्चों की भविष्य के लिए इनको शादी चाहिए. तो और to restore peace, मैं State Police, Assam Rifles and all the security forces में बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा, इसलिए कि during the crisis बहुत मैतेई ने बहुत कुकी को बचाया, and at the same time बहुत कुकी लोगों ने भी बहुत मैतेई को बचाया.
However, the true bridge across the divide have to be built by the citizens of Manipur themselves, through dialogue over confrontation, understanding over suspicion, and shared hope over historic grievances. Peace cannot alone be kept by force. It can only be achieved by understanding. And I quote, as I quoted earlier, Albert Einstein, that the best way to find out if you can trust somebody is to trust them.